Okay, you got me on another bathroom here. Anybody surprised? That's what I do. Besides all the other stuff I do. You got your master suite, you got an arched opening going into the master bathroom. Now you walk by your wardrobe sliders. So you're actually walking through your closet with a crunch top on it. The old school cedar liner, you know, stuff. Here we are. We're getting rid of all this. We're going to take this apart right here and put a pocket door in there. So we can close it off, get a little more privacy for Mama there. And then back here, this other archway, we're going to get rid of all this. Get this all opened up, and this section here will all be cabinetry. So it'll look nicer, like this is part of the bathroom, because it is part of the bathroom. And that there, new vanity, all that, we're leaving the glass block, but this is changing out. This stays. But you've got an old school jet tub that's going away. And we'll put a new style tub there and a new shower system over there. All the soffits, like I said, they're gone. They're going away. The floor is just boring tiles. Look at that boring tiles. We're going to fix all that and get some cool countertops in here. Okay, here's a truckload out. Sliders are gone, closets, all that. Vanity, top, and all this tile. A lot of tile, and a lot of tile still to go. The whole floor and the tubs around. Getting the tub out, I need a plumber. Cap off some water lines. Look at that. Can't just yank it out of there. So tomorrow we'll do it again. Today, one big load to the dump. And if you're wondering what a full load looks like, there it is. That's that bathroom right there. Glass, wardrobe sliders, drywall, tile. It's about 1 ton right there, I bet you. Okay, end of day 3. I'm all demoed out. Got the closet framing all gone. Okay, end of day 4. I finished up the little bit of framing there was, and ready for a plumber and electrician. This entrance here now is no longer arched. He got his pocket frame in the wall that he wanted. The door is going to go this way, of course. Bingo. Back in there. Framed a little wall here to receive the cabinets on this side, matching that side. And then it also will receive the vanities right here. Vanity of vanities, I say. And now we're ready to put it back together. Still got this issue here. Cut the ceiling back. The soffit over the shower has to be there unless you want to tear out all your ducting. So, okay, here's what it looks like when you try to go from round to rectangular. It's still going to be big. Okay, your soffit's covered up now with drywall and metal bead. Get some better lighting in here, but this is the split level look it's going to have. A lot nicer than it was. There it is. Pocket door in, hanging properly, casing done. Little jamb extension there, if you know what I mean. Sometimes your jamb is not exactly the right thickness of the wall. These wardrobe area is going to be doors only, and then they can put a closet organizer in there later. He wanted to keep the old cedar look, more or less, because he probably did it himself. And the designer is cringing, but she doesn't live here, so she has to say, okay, you can leave it. We're going to put some cool doors in front, and he'll probably come in and finish it out because he likes it. And if he likes it, I like it. So later I'm going to tell you what the mystery switch over here is for. But anyway, I can't wait to get the cabinets in, and we're going to get some crown going on up here. See, designers, they come up with things like crown molding and this detail. This is your soffit pretty much finished. But anyway, here's our new tile look over here. And into the shower. Look at that. That's just looking gorgeous. So, okay, the vanities now. Remember that old vanity that was in there? It was just begging to be tore out. There it is. We got yourself the double sink system, but you got the old sit down and do your makeup spot there for Mama. She's gonna like that. She get a little chair in there that can slide in when she's done. But you get yourself some custom cabinets. Look at these drawers. Just nice and snug. They just go in like that. Soft close. Everybody wants soft close. And now, when you get your sink, you got all that pipes in there. Well, how are you gonna get a drawer? It's really challenging. Oh, they left their little tester in there, okay? But you put the drawer at the bottom, because a little drawer is better than no drawer. That's what I always say. Look at that deal right there. Pull that out, because that tester don't need to be in there anymore. Okay. So there you go. Wardrobe sliders are gone. Huge cabinet doors that match the vanity. Everything's done with purpose. Of course, the soffit, the big boxy thing that we had over here before, all the way around, it's gone. And yes, we had to keep a soffit, but we did it with purpose. And you can see that in my soffit video. But for now, I'm showing you the overall, how it turned out. Gorgeous. The old shower is new. The jet tub is bye-bye. And of course the vanities are much better. Again, sometimes you have to incorporate the old school stuff, like the old glass block on the outside of the house, the old window, glass block in the house. They didn't want to get rid of it, so you incorporate it and it can look very nice. Get yourself some ceiling fixtures that just hug the ceiling. And the reason you want them to hug the ceiling is so the cabinet doors don't hit them. Look at that. It swings right by there. It's looking really nice. Okay, I told you I was going to tell you what that mystery switch was for. So if you come in at night, that mystery switch is really a sensor. And if you're scared of the dark, man, we'll kick some lights on for you. Look at that. Isn't that fancy? It's for people who, you know, really go into a deep sleep, I guess.